How did you first find out about the Cleveland Law Library?
I don't really actually recall, but I'm sure somebody brought it to my attention when I came to this building before. And I checked it out. They said it was a library in this building, and I think it was around 2012. That's when the year I found out about it. But I don't remember exactly how. But I definitely was part of the building. Somebody probably mentioned it to me.
Have you spent a lot of time here over the years?
It depends what you mean a lot. I mean, I've used it in moderation. I make it down here when I can, especially back then, the busy schedule during 2012, 2013. But I definitely was using it a lot because I was a member at that point. So I would say, yeah, at one point.
How often do you visit the Cleveland Law Library?
Well, currently, well, a few times out the year. Come down here, like I said, if I need to utilize search engine on Westlaw.
How has the library helped you with your own cases and matters?
It's helped a little bit. I mean, I may come down and look for case law, so it'll lead me into the right direction. Maybe something I couldn't find on my own, maybe the internet, or just doing some basic reading. So I'll come down here and look up some stuff I couldn't find on my own or with the resources I have. So it's helped out. I mean, I'd say it's helped out, but it's better not having any help at all.
Can you comment on the services that you have received?
Well, they're very helpful. The staff here are very helpful. I mean, they showed me how to fish. They told me how to use a search engine. Kathleen has, and you have as well. So it's Leslie. So they showed me how to use something. I'm pretty much on my own from there. So I'll say the staff has been very helpful.
What do you remember about our staff, past or present?
Past or present? That's a good question. I mean, you know what? Consistency. The attitudes haven't changed. Like, very, like I said, respectful. Same answers before. Helpful when you need to know something. They'll help you get on the right track for it. At least on my end. That's what I've experienced.
Do you have any special memories of your time here?
Not yet. Not yet. I think the best is yet to come. But not yet.
Tell us about how you conduct legal research. What tools do you use?
Well, usually I'll come up with a subject or an issue at hand. Utilize what I need to find on my own, and then I'll usually come down here as an extra result or maybe a last result. But I try to use what I have around me. Start with a book usually. That's why I usually like to start with getting a book, whether it's from the library or from another area, a book I may already own. Then maybe do an internet research. Then I'll come down here and use Westlaw.
Do you use social media, and are you following the Cleveland Law Library?
No, I don't follow anybody. I don't use social media. At least not considered. I'm not a social media person. I don't believe it or not. I think it's good. It's a good tool. Just it takes up a lot of your time. But I wouldn't say I would not use it in the future more consistently. It just depends on the nature on why we'll be doing it. But I think I'm on a balanced scale that I will be using it. Because that's the new way to interact with folks, especially around the world.
Is there anything we didn't talk about that you would like to add?
Sure. What are the plans for the Cleveland Library here, Public Law Library here for 2020? Do you have any other plans here? Any upcoming ventures or any upcoming things any other additional services, I should say, that you want to add here?
To be determined. We're celebrating 150 years, so we're aiming for growth.
Okay.